Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Bond. I miss you all so much. This is my son, Bennett. He's 4. And it's kind of a dreary, rainy day outside today. So we thought we would share a rainy day book called Please Don't Close the Puddles. Who here likes to jump in puddles? Do you like to jump in puddles? Yeah, it's so much fun. So Please Don't Close the Puddles, written by Tracy Kronk Vartanian and illustrated by Carolyn Dahlstrom Granberg, who was actually a parent of a student I had a few years ago. Okay. It's a rainy day, but I still want to go out to play. So please don't close the puddles. It's the only way to have some fun on a day when there is no sun. So please don't close the puddles. You'll see me smile if you just let me jump for a while. So please don't close the puddles. Please hear what I say. I want to splish and splash and play. So please don't close the puddles. I like to hop, 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 even when the rain won't stop, 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 stop. So please don't close the puddles. I want to romp. I want to stomp. I want to clomp, clomp, clomp. So please don't close the puddles. The rain is falling on the ground, but there's still so much fun to be found. So please don't close the puddles. Oh, won't you give me a chance to laugh, to sing, to make the water dance? So please don't close the puddles. Even when the sun gives way to showers, I could have fun for hours. So please don't close the puddles. Look what's coming out though. The sun is coming out. What's the harm of getting wet? You would have fun too, I bet. So please don't close the puddles. I'll be covered in mud from my head to my toes, but oh, how I will enjoy it. So please don't close the puddles. Yes, it's messy, but you see, it feels so good. It feels so free. Won't you come and splash with me? So please don't close the puddles. That's the end of our story. This is the author right here, and this is the illustrator. And that little boy right there was actually a student that I had in kindergarten. So I hope you all get to go outside and splash in some big wet puddles, maybe even some muddy puddles while you're at home. Miss you, friends. Bye. I'm gonna go put